Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of Building with Mr. S.T.E.A.M. Today we're going to make the annealing star blade design. And I'm going to get my daughter Lily to help me out. But first I'm going to start with some of the glue ups for the main body and maybe some of the wings, picking out the wood for that so that it's ready for her to help me with the details. The book is calling for 3 pieces of wood. First is going to be 3/4 of an inch by 1 inch and 3/16 by 6 1/8 inch, and then another 3/16, 1 3/16, 6 1/8 inch. That's contrasting, and another piece at 1/4 and 1 3/16 by 6 1/8. So I have maple. I always love maple. Then I have some walnut that I've already got. It's about 3/16. So I think between these 2 pieces of wood, I should be able to get the pieces that they're asking for. We're going to glue them up and then mill them to the final dimensions, drill the holes that they want for the wings and for the fuselage, and for the thrust, like the engine there. And then we use the template, the top template there, and we'll use that to make the main body. And sand it down and go from there. So you just saw me mill down this piece of wood. I believe it looks like oak. And then I cut a 20-degree chamfer on it with the table saw. I'm just gonna hand sanding. I'm hand sanding. Gonna hand sand. Sand with my hand sand. Okay. Lily decided to join us from playing upstairs. And she's gonna glue these pieces on for the template. For, let's see, what do they call it? The housings?
The housing?
I guess they're called housings.
We're on 15.
Step 15. Can you read step 15?
Apply 2 copies of template 3 to the stock, with the inside edges, the edge toward which the curved tip points, lined up with their outer dadoed edges of stock, and the front ends of the templates lined up with the ends of the stock.
So stock is what they're calling the wood, and the dados are those channels that we just cut over there with the dado stack, which is a bunch of blades stacked together to give you a flat cut. So go ahead, what you're going to do is put the glue on the paper and then stick it down.
Yeah, because...
Go for it.
Yeah.
Perfect. Look at that.
I'm good at going. I'm good.
Okay, step 16. We're going to mark drilling holes. All right, make a pencil mark on the end of each of the stock where the front end of the templates meet the ends of the stock. Aha. A 1/2 inch in from the sides of the stock and centered across the 1/2 inch width. Ooh, that gives me a chance to show you something I just did.
Oh, that's cool.
So we have a little
Whoa.
center finding jig. What's cool about this is you put on it width of stock up to what, like 2 inches, and you just go like this.
Oh, you 3D printed that?
Mm-hmm.
And used a pencil?
Mm-hmm.
That's cool.
And that marks the center.
Oh, that's great. Oh, that's great. You invented that.
I didn't invent it.
Okay. Well, you made it, so you kind of invented it.
There you go. So there's a center line, and we need to come up and set a 1/2 inch.
A 1/2 inch.
Okay. So.
It's 1, 2, so that's a 1/2.
Okay, take a pencil and draw a line across there. And then one more time over here.
I think that's good.
Great, now check this out.
Check. Are you gonna bring something over here? Okay.
Okay, so now we take, look, this is a center punch, right?
Whoa.
And you just mark the spot where those 2 lines meet. And put a little hole. And that's gonna get our drill bit exactly where we want it.
Ooh.
There you go.
Cool.
So we needed a 1/4 inch dowel. I didn't have any, so I'm going to use these dowels that you use to put 2 things together. I kind of like it. I think it looks cool with lines on it. And we need to drill an 1/8 inch hole. It needs to come down 1/4 inch. You're not taking me, are you?
Yeah.
Ow! This one. It's gonna look really cool when it's all done.
Yeah, I would want to buy it.
Just gonna
We definitely have to keep pew pew.
Get the what?
We definitely have to keep that.
Okay.
Super cool.
You heard the lady, kids. I was gonna give these away to you, but I think Lily wants them. Sorry. Guess you're gonna have to make your own. Are you pointing that at anybody?
Oh, cool.
Okay, so we're getting it wet. Why are we getting it wet?
We're getting it wet to bring out the wood fiber.
Oh, you're smart. And then what do we do?
Sand it.
Nice.
Again, it'll look really nice. And then we glue on the wings and then
Yeah, all you
it's
gotta do is glue
done.
on the wings. And then we'll put finish on. Okay, so we glued one wing on.
As you can see.
Now we're gonna glue the other one on. Now I'm gonna show you how we do it. So we're gonna take super glue, thick.
Thick.
And we're gonna put a drop on this side,
And
spread it out,
here.
and a drop on this side. Right, spread it out. And we
And
take
now
some
we're
wood glue.
Put it in the middle.
Yep, and then what?
And then we spread it around the finger. And then you wipe it.
Wipe it on Lily's face. Okay, so Lily's gonna spray 2 spots. Okay. That's the activator. That's gonna make it dry right away.
Just like
Ready?
slime, it makes it less sticky.
Okay, instant bond, right?
Yeah, in an instant, so you don't have to wait 15 hours.
And then the wood glue will set in like 3 to 4 hours, right? And that'll be a permanent connection. All right, just to show you, I'm going to use some cutting board oil to finish it, just because I like the way it looks and it's certainly touching, as you can see. So we just put a little bit of oil on it.
And
Rub it around.
rub it.
Just watch the wood.
Watch the wood pop.
And then what we're going to do is wax it. The wax is going to make it real smooth and protect it with a little bit of a hard coating. Pew pew.
Pew pew. Pew 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 pew. It
It's
looks
really
like the
cool.
plane is really flying.
So this 1/4 inch piece of walnut looks longer because we cut it at
I
the
think
taper.
that right there looks like a windshield.
Yeah, it's supposed to be.
How did you turn that into that though?
Follow the directions.
Okay. You followed the directions too good though.
So any spot where we might have had just a little bit of glue touching, we just go over that with some sandpaper, get rid of the
Access.
glue. Two bases, ready to go.
Good night.
Pew 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 pew.